Hello friends, I hope all of you are fun and enjoying the best of your health. Guys, the content of our today's video is very important and unique because in this video I am sharing a beautiful design ideas of how you can design your denim dresses, denim shirts, denim jackets, denim, even your denim jeans as well. So before going into the details, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's move back towards our content. These are very simple and easy patterns of floral embroidery. All of this is a result of hand art, needlework, or hand embroidery. You can pair up these very beautiful back neck embroidery design ideas onto your back of your shirts, denim jackets, and any type of top that you wear along with your bottoms. You can make very beautifully all of these embroidery patterns onto the back of your shirts. So you are seeing are very beautifully designed denim shirts, jackets, onto which their back have been designed with the beautiful floral patterns. Even you can make these very beautiful and simple and easy to make embroidery patterns onto jeans as well to make them more trendy and classy. For getting more beautiful, stylish and trendy updates related to women fashion, do subscribe our channel and stay tuned on daily basis for our latest upcoming videos. So leave massive comments because your comments are the only way of our communication with which we get to know that what you feel about our content. So stay blessed and stay tuned for the more upcoming content. Up till then, thank you so much.